Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Changing your iPhone keyboard is a simple process that can enhance your typing experience. In this video, I'll show you how to change your iPhone's keyboard for your everyday communication. Let's go. To get started, navigate to your iPhone's Settings app. From there, scroll down and tap on General. Then select Keyboard. You'll find yourself on the Keyboards page where you can make all the necessary changes. If you're looking to add a new keyboard for a different language, simply tap Add New Keyboard and browse through the extensive list of options. You can choose from various languages or even opt for third-party keyboards like Gboard or SwiftKey, each with its unique features and layouts. And if you have multiple keyboards installed and want to rearrange their order, or perhaps remove one you no longer use, tap Edit and follow the on-screen instructions. Now, if you want to switch between keyboards while typing, just tap the globe icon conveniently located on the keyboard, and you can effortlessly toggle between your preferred options. Okay, if I've been able to assist you, I would really appreciate it if you could leave a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you enjoy taking photos and videos with your iPhone, please visit my website. Over the last few months, I've created a video course where I've gathered the best tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your iPhone for photography. You'll find the link to the website in the video description. Until next time, bye!